आपसे शुरू होके सबको देंगे।
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, resolution which was moved by the government on behalf of my party, I would like to come on record and say that whatever had happened yesterday in this house is uncalled for, and as a lawmakers, it is our responsibility that we maintain the dignity, the decorum, and give honor to the post which we are holding. And yesterday what we all have witnessed, I would say it's a black day in democracy, and it's also a black day for this House and the proceedings of this House. As rightly said by the Leader of the House, Honorable Chief Minister Saab, that everybody has the right to agitate, to protest, and it's a right which has been given in our democracy. And with the protest and with the agitation, we are not only putting across our points of dissent, but we are also strengthening the democracy. But the protest cannot become violent. We cannot cross the limits. There is one limit which we have to be in that limit. And yesterday I would say all those limits have been crossed. And moreover, जिस तरीके से हमारे उर्दू में एक मुहावरा है कि चोरी उस पे सीना जोरी, पहले तो गलती किए और अपने गलती पर शर्मिंदा होने के बजाय और अपने गलती पर माफी मांगने के बजाय एक रुकन इस ऐवान में मीडिया पॉइंट पर खड़े होकर वही रुकने असेंबली ये कहते हैं कि मैं गवर्नर साहब को मारना चाह रहा था और वह गलती से चेयरमैन साहब को लग जाता है. It is so sad, I would say, कि instead of regretting what has happened, instead of submitting his apology, he comes on record and he says this and gives the statement. It is very sad. And sir, मैं ये भी जरूर कहूंगा कि किसी शायर ने क्या खूब कहा है कि अखलाक का जलता हुआ घर देख रहा हूं, अखलाक का जलता हुआ घर देख रहा हूं, देखा नहीं जाता पर देख रहा हूं. वही हो गया है कि क्या है, किस तरीके से हमको बिहेव करना है. And I would say that the Congress have become a very frustrated party, I would say, because of continuous loss all over the country. Wherever they are trying to win back the trust and the confidence of the people, they are failing to win. That is why I think they are resorting to such behavior. And I would say that there are some few organizations, without naming anybody, I would say, that they, just for their political gains, they are lynching innocent people on the streets. And I had found yesterday, the Congress was trying to lynch in this house. If the marshals wouldn't have been there, I think they would have come to the chair, they would have gone to the Honorable Governor, they would have probably done much more if the marshals wouldn't have been here. This is a very sad day, I would say. We are elected representatives. We come in this house. We are supposed to bring to the kind notice of the government the issues and the grievances of the people. If the government fails to address the issues and act upon the issues, we have the right to protest. This mic is here. We can ask for the mic, we can protest, we can lodge our protest, and if after the protest also, if the government is not listening, we have the right to once again protest and stage a walkout. Go to the people, let the people decide when the time comes. And the people, as rightly said by the Honorable Chief Minister Saab, the people have not once but continuously been giving their verdict. Let be any elections, let be any by-elections, let be any municipal elections. The people of this state have reimposed their trust, their faith and their confidence in the government. I think this is not acceptable for the Congress, and the Congress is resorting to such behavior. It is very sad, sir. I condemn what has happened, sir. And lastly, sir, before concluding, sir, I would like to bring to your kind notice, sir, there are one or two questions. Like yesterday also in the BSc, I had raised this issue and I had demanded an inquiry and an action to be taken. Sir, I would like to ask the Honorable Chair, the Honorable Speaker Sahab, आपसे कि आपकी इंक्वायरी में क्या आपको पता चला, बराए मेहरबानी इस ऐवान को यह भी बताएं. ठीक है, हुकूमत ने रेजोल्यूशन मूव किया, उसकी तायीद की, लेकिन बहैसियत चेयर ये आपकी भी जिम्मेदारी है कि आप भी अपने तौर से पता करें, इंक्वायर करें और इंक्वायरी के जो फाइंडिंग्स हैं वो इस ऐवान के सामने लाएं और अपने उस फाइंडिंग के जरिए हुकूमत से कहें कि मेरी फाइंडिंग्स ये कहती हैं और इस फाइंडिंग्स के ऊपर आप कार्रवाई करिए. और एक बात मैं कहूंगा, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, हर वक्त जब हम इस ऐवान में, आंध्र प्रदेश के ऐवान में भी रुकन की तरीके से थे, अगर हुकूमत की जानिब से अगर कोई रेजोल्यूशन मूव किया जाता किसी को सस्पेंड करने का, एक्सपेल, तो मैं समझता हूं कि मेरे 20 बरस के कैरियर में पहली मर्तबा मैं एक्सपेल को सुना हूं. जब सस्पेंड किया जाता है तो सस्पेंड के वजूहात बयान किए जाते हैं. द रीजंस आर स्पेल्ड आउट कि व्हाई द गवर्नमेंट डिजायर्स टू सस्पेंड द मेंबर्स, एंड आफ्टर दैट an opportunity has been given to all the floor leaders to air their opinion on the suspension. I request the Honorable Speaker, sir, to kindly adopt this. Yes, we are for maintaining the dignity, decorum and the honor of this house. At the same time, I think it would be much better when an opinion is being taken and when all of us unanimously come with the government and say that, okay, yes, on this issue, we should suspend these members. We should expel these members. But now also I want to come on record and say that, okay, I support the resolution, and I think this action is justified and this was needed and we had to do this because we have to maintain. And lastly, sir, at the same time, I would like to come on record and say that Honorable Leader of Opposition, we know how he is. We also know how senior he is. We also know how helpless he is. We all know that. And we had witnessed how helpless he was then, how he tried from his level, and whatever had happened yesterday, as a leader, it was his responsibility to control his members, which he has failed. But at the same time, I don't think he was responsible or he had indulged. He had indulged in any sort of happenings that had happened yesterday, or he had done anything with which the decorum of this house has been reduced. So I think we should reconsider and the suspension जो लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन साहब को जो सस्पेंड करे हैं उनके सस्पेंशन को बहाल करते हुए उनको एक को आने दीजिए ताकि हम ये पैगाम दे सकते हैं कि आप जो करेगा हम उसको बख्शेंगे नहीं और जो नहीं करेगा हम उसको जरूर इस ऐवान में बैठ के अगर ऐवान की कार्रवाई में आना चाहते हैं तो जरूर शामिल हो सकते हैं। तो मैं आपसे यही दरख्वास्त करूंगा और मैं हुकूमत के इस रेजोल्यूशन की मुकम्मल तायीद करूंगा और फिर से कहूंगा कि स्पीकर साहब आपकी जो इंक्वायरी है, आपके जो इंक्वायरीज है उसको मंजर आम पर लाएं। और लास्टली सर, आई वुड लाइक टू कम ऑन रिकॉर्ड एंड से दैट जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ द ऑनर ऑफ दिस हाउस, द डिग्निटी एंड द डेकोरम ऑफ द हाउस, whenever any political parties, members or legislatures come on the well and they protest, the cameras, the live telecast, the camera is on the speaker or on the member who's speaking. I request, sir, if such incidents are happening, let us not have a live telecast of the happenings and the agitation that is happening, but we should have the record of the unruly behavior of the members, and if required, those recordings should be released to the media for the people to see and decide what was their behavior. What was their behavior? It is very sad, sir, and I once again say that. Sir, the rule book says a member can protest. They should not come on the well, nor they should come here. And the rule position, the book also says that we should not have play cards. Why are we allowing play cards in this house, sir? Sir, I request to your kind self, sir, kindly see that no member from any political party is allowed in this house to come with a play card. Sir, when we have this mic, I think this is the strongest protesting with which we can protest. ये सबसे ताकतवर चीज है, ये माइक सबसे बड़ी ताकत है इसमें। अगर हम खड़े होकर यहां पे हमारे एहतजाज को बुलंद करेंगे, आवाज को बुलंद करेंगे और हकायक को सामने रखेंगे, नाइंसाफी को बयान करेंगे, तो जरूर हमको इंसाफ मिलेगा। लेकिन ये प्ले कार्ड्स, ये गलत है सर, ये। और मैं कहूंगा कि हम सबको एक लॉ मेकर की तरह बिहेव करना है। लेट अस ऑल कम टुगेदर and realize the position in which we stand and the position that the people have entrusted with the responsibility as a lawmaker. We are lawmakers. Let us behave like lawmakers, not like street fighters. Let us not behave like street fighters, or let us not behave like rowdies, I would say. Yesterday, it was a rowdyism that was happening. This is uncalled for. I appreciate the action which has been taken by the government. I support the action. And I hope that the Congress will realize and agitate, protest, and fight in a democratic way to address the people's grievance and people's issues, sir. Thank you very much, sir.